Diamond B.
Wig, okay.
Wig, did you just say wig?
Yes.
What's up? I'm Diamond B. Well, it's awkward filming, but we're doing it. I have a new video for you. Yes, this is a 2020 footage. So, dahil na yung nasa quarantine time, I'm so bored and I ordered way too much stuff from Shopee. I have two really luxurious wigs to show you guys. These are very expensive. It's like high. No, it's not expensive. I got two very cheap wigs from Shopee, and hopefully I can style them into like better looking wigs. I guess. I don't know. Three blue long bob with front bang. Very cute. And it's like that. It says it's gray blue, but it's more lavender than blue. Here it is. I'm also gonna insert a clip of me unboxing the wig. I'm plasticking, whatever you want. So yun na, bilis. And here it is! Ooh! It's so pretty. I got a wig. So, ayan. So muna natin siya. Ayan. Sorry talaga sa audio. I'm very sorry. It's so pretty! Oh my god! Look at that. It's very cheap. I got it for like 295 pesos. Oh, it's a net type. It has a fake scalp as well. Bangs. Pretty. Oh, it's tight. Okay. Oh my god, it's so pretty. That's so pretty, actually. They actually gave me a wig cap and 3 bobby pins because you only need 3 to secure that in your head. Okay, so I don't really see myself right now. So how do I look like? I'm gonna try do a lot of adjustments to this. Maybe a little bit of volume on top because it looks very, very flat on my big ass head. Gonna add root shadow.
Snatched.
So here's the second wig. This is actually a men's wig. This is a gray short men's wig, and it's advertised like a Korean style wig or something like that, but what you see in the pictures is not always true. Hey guys, so the time has come for me to unbox another package from Shopee. Okay, unboxing, unplasticking. This is another wig that I bought from Shopee, and this one is a men's wig. This time it's a silver. Ooh, actually looks like a silver men's wig. Should look like a Korean style hair. Of course, it comes with the same package as the other one. So I did not call it. It's a silver peluca. Okay. So yeah, it's this wig. It's like a Karen hairstyle. It has net type cap. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm gonna try it on right now. So here it goes. You know what? Actually, this is not too bad. Like, this could have been like a lot worse. You know what? If I'm gonna style this, I think I can make it work. We're gonna make it work. You know what I mean? Like, actually, that's cute. My opinions of it is forever changing, I guess. It's a wig. It's definitely a wig. I'm not gonna speak to the manager, but yeah. So here it is. Here goes nothing.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they...
So yeah, do I need to say more? I see a lot of potential with this wig, but right now it looks a hot damn mess. But I actually posted a photo of this in my Instagram stories and Facebook my day. A few people thought this was my real hair now. I'm gonna add root shadow so it looks like it's growing on my head because that hard front is real hard. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it with at-home items. You don't really have to go out of the stores and buy special stuff. Keep on watching. Let's go with the tutorial, I guess. I don't even fucking like... How do I... Do you like...
I know, wig. I feel that already.
What is wig? What is wig?
So we're gonna start off with our gray blue long bob wig. We're just gonna brush her out a little bit just so we can start in a good pace. And now we're gonna pull out our alcohol based permanent marker. My color is black. You can choose whatever color you want that matches your hair. And just gonna put it in the wig and blend it out down. You can actually use a cotton swab with alcohol to blend it down further and makes it a little bit more gradient, and it's gonna be looking fantastic and pretty. Just gonna do that with all the hairs and all the wefts of the hair. Blend it out evenly, and of course you can go back with your alcohol permanent markers and fill those gaps in. Blend it down with your finger and your and if you have like a spot of permanent marker in your scalp, you can use your alcohol dipped Q-tip to remove that, of course, and voila, there's your finished product. And here I'm just showing you that I'm doing it in every weft and taking my sweet time doing it to get better and beautiful results. Here is the final result of the weft. As you can see, it's a mess, but it works. Hey guys, this is the finished rooted wig. So as you can see, it's darker in the roots and same as the others. There's still roots in there. I think it makes it look more natural and it looks like it's growing in your scalp. Unless they see the tracks, of course, but it's pretty good. There you go. The gradient is pretty awesome. Looks very natural.
I am ready for my wig to go flying.
I hope it does go flying.
Out of this room.
Wig. As you can see, it's very bare. Actually has like a bit of a teasing kind of moment. I don't even know what they call it, but it looks like shredded hair from underneath the front, which I think fills in most of the spots where the net is showing. Natted hair add onto that. I'm gonna plop this in. Start off with the back, just because it's easier. I'm gonna use some clips to hold it in place. So I am finally finished adding root shadow to this wig, and now if you can part it anywhere, you can see that it has dark roots. And again, you can choose the color of your hair for these roots by using alcohol based markers with the same color of your hair, so it looks very natural. It just looks pretty dang good. Look at that. The gradation of the black to the silver, pretty awesome for me, I think.
Wig, okay.
So we're gonna start off with this wig in a good shape right now. Why are you there? Why are you there? Okay, we don't need it. Here is the bangs. I'm gonna clip the sides first. I'm gonna wet this with just water. This is just a bottle of setting spray, but I added water to it. If you have an hairspray, then that's the optimal option here. Now that the bangs are wet, you can brush through it first. Hottest setting. I'm gonna try and set it in this position by using clips. Oh! I need a hair stand. Just so we just don't want to curl it too much. Oop. And that's what we did. We curled it. What? This is horrible. Oh my my god, we curled it. This is horrible, you guys. So I'm gonna straighten it again. Ah! So we learned a lesson in not do that with the clips. We can do this. Water again. So I'm just gonna brush it down. Okay, we're doing it. We're doing it. Like, you can see what I'm doing. I'm trying my best. Okay, this is not my forte, obviously. Okay, so now we got it into a straighter position. We kind of fried the hair a little bit, but this is like the straightest I can get the bangs to be again, so trim it a little bit by point cutting. You know how to point cut? You use the angles instead of straight, just to get rid of the thickness of the bangs as well, and to make it more look like a realistic bang. Make it a little bit more shorter, just because I do find the bangs a little bit long. Now it looks realistic, if I do say so myself. It actually is very flat on my head because I don't have the bulk of the real women hair. So that's what I see a lot with men wearing wigs, is that they make it as flat as possible so it looks realistic. But in reality, it looks more realistic. It has a little bit of lift because men's heads tend to be a little bit bigger than women's. So that's what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna section out this weft. We're gonna wet this part of the hair again. So with this one, I think I'm gonna use like a medium. Yeah, I'm gonna let it dry in place like that. Now you can do that with every weft, I think. And voila! Oh my gosh, it worked. As you can see, it added a little bit of volume in there. Do that with a few more wefts. So I'm gonna try and like use my hands to like straighten this out or something. Bringing it out like going up this side. Brush it out. Up. This is like the part of this, the fake scalp. More of the process in here. Okay. Now we have something. That's nice actually. That looks good. Okay. Can you see that? There's a little bit of lift, but it's not too much. That looks very wiggy. A bit of added lift in this side and this. So yeah. So we are here with the men's wig. Just, powder the whole freaking wig. Just wanna like incorporate it in the wig. This actually removes the shine of the wig. Here, just gonna like dust off the excess by like shaking it. Repart it. Now, if you are concerned with this wig getting a little bit lighter, you can touch up the roots using the markers. Let me powder it a little bit more. It looks way better in person. I parted it kind of a little bit off-centered just because it tricks the eye that it's not actually a wig. Spray it with water and hit that with a high heat setting a little bit. So it solidifies its place and it's the parting, and then a little bit of the low setting to just dry down the excess water. What I did to lift this part of the hair, I just sprayed this part with water. I'm gonna blast it with high heat again so it lifts a little bit of that part. Gradually go in in the part and left the hair there as well. So you see how I actually did this earlier now, but just gonna like hold this into place. You can use your pins again. It actually has like very nice curls already, but I don't have a hairspray right now, so I'm just gonna use some wax with my hands. Add it a little bit to the hair. Also, this gives a lot of volume. And we're done!
새벽 5시 반 모두 잠든 이 밤 에이 남들 뭐라고 있나 난 그냥 있어 빈방 에이 다들 꿈을 꾸겠지 짜잔 나도 꾸겠지 상상을 위달친 번 꿈만 꾸겠지 꿈꾸겠지 이 밤엔 달밖에 빛나는 게 없네 이 방엔 바깥에 어둠이 들었네 어둠이 들었네 어둠이 들렸네 아무것도 들리지도 보이지도 않아 혼자서 울었네 너는 그냥 자요 잘 자요 좋은 꿈만 꿔요 잘 자요 나쁜 꿈은 내가 다 가져갈 테니 너는 그냥 좋은 기억만 가지고 잠이 들었으면 해줘 들었으면 해줘 잘 자요 잘 자.
Finally, this video is done. This video has been such a long journey. I really like how these turned out, and now I think I can wear them in public. So I hope you guys picked up a few tips and tricks from me. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and of course subscribe if you want to see more of this face. And if you really like it, then you should have put a ring on it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you want to follow me on all my social media, it's all at MB. You can like my Facebook page, facebook.com/IamSMB. And as always, hope to see you guys soon and have a great day ahead. Annyeong! Feeling Korean, annyeong daw. Ano matanda?
Don't tell me nothing.